guys, so today while I was sewing, I noticed that my machine was sounding a little bit clunky. And I know it's because I've been sewing a lot, but I oiled it a couple weeks ago, but sometimes you have to oil it more often. So sometimes I call Mondays Maintenance Monday. Oh, that's my microwave. Oh, today's letter is M. I'm being silly. But anyway, today we're going to oil a Kenmore 148. Now, I'm oiling a Kenmore 148, but that can mean this video can apply to so many other videos, so many other sewing machines. So I'm just showing you what I do for my machine. Okay, so materials that we will need some kind of brush, a pick. I don't have my tweezers, otherwise I'd use those instead. So if you have tweezers, that would be better. A screwdriver, sewing machine oil. It has to be sewing machine oil. That's the only thing you need to use. And then some kind of cloth. This is one of those eyeglass wipes if we need to use it. I've unplugged it, and we're going to remove the thread out because we don't need it right this second. And then we are going to take our screwdriver, and there's two screws on the top, the left one and then the right one. I'm just going to take the bobbin off. So I'm going to unscrew this left one. Oops, sorry. Alright, so I'm just going to take it out here. And it has a little, very tiny, I forgot what this is called. But you see that? It's there. And the screw, I'm going to put it on this little cloth, and I'm going to put it on the left side because that helps me remind myself that this is the left screw. Then we're going to unscrew the right screw, and you can use a Phillips screwdriver. Oops, a Phillips screwdriver. I just happened to grab, this was actually my dad's. Can you believe that? Random thought there. You can use a Phillips screwdriver. I just happened to grab this one. And then we're going to put it on the right side to tell me that's the right screw. I'm going to remove this because I don't need it. And we're going to take off the hood. Call it the hood. Oh, like a car. And inside is pretty clean. I just need to oil it. I actually cleaned it about a week and a half ago, so it's not terribly dirty, but so you can see the inside. Kind of neat, right? And basically you're going to oil anything that has holes, for example, and anything that hits metal. So when you turn the hand wheel towards you, like always, there's a hole down there. And I believe there's another one there, unless that's the same hole. So there's a hole there. I always like to put a drop of oil down there. I put a drop of oil here because it's, you know, part of the mechanism. This is one hole that you don't put oil in. That's actually your screw, the hole that the screw goes into. So don't put any oil in that hole. So when I'm turning this wheel, the hand wheel towards me, you can see there's a hole down there. And a hole down there. There's a hole right here that needs to have a drop of oil in that. In there also. And then when we open this part here, we are going to oil, let's see, well that, I already showed you that. You're going to definitely oil that. And then you're going to oil the, just a little bit, oil the needle bar. So that's what we're going to do. Now, I don't have my manual handy, but some people like to take out the bobbin case and all this stuff and take it apart and oil it inside. I'm not worried about that right now. I already did stuff like that about, like I said, a week and a half ago. I'm mainly worried about the noise that's coming up here. So we're not going to do the bottom today. And when you open up your machine, if you see dust, you would use your brush and just, lightly brush the dust away. And like I said, I already did this a week or so ago, so I don't see a whole lot of dust. But you would dust it, and you can even vacuum it too, with a little vacuum. I did see one YouTuber use a shop vac. I haven't used that yet, but so I don't really see any big dust. Okay, so I'm doing this with one hand, so bear with me. Alright, so I turn the hand wheel towards me, and I'm going to very carefully, oh, the airplane's lovely, and I'm going to drip one little drip of oil. Oops, it didn't really, okay, right there. So I put a little drip of oil in there, and I'm just going to turn the wheel towards me. Maybe put a little bit on that one too, just one itty bitty drop. I don't want to put too much. Okay, there we go. And turn the hand wheel towards you, okay? Okay, next I'm going to put a drop of oil down there. So if you turn the hand wheel towards you, you see all those, the bearings, that needs to be oiled. So just one little drop right now. There we go. That's probably the area that's making that noise, the clunk noise, So you don't want to put too much oil, but a drop or two is good. Okay, next I'm going to put oil in this little hole. Little drop, like one drop. Oops. I got a little bit of oil down there, but that's okay. It's not, I can't really get in there, so to wipe it off. Okay, next spot, I'm going to put some in this one. Let's see, I'm going to move the hand wheel towards me so I can get to it better. I'm going to do that. Okay, you see down there? I really need to get one of those oil things that have the stick. I need to find something like that I can use. There's another one. One little drop. Oops. Come on. Oh, it missed the hole, but maybe it'll get in there. Okay, next I'm going to put oil in this little hole. Little drop. Like one drop. Oops. I got a little bit of oil down there, but that's okay. It's not, I can't really get in there, so to wipe it off. So the hole is way down there. I don't know, I hope you can see it. It's right there. So I'm going to try my best. Okay, there we go. That's good. Once you put oil in there, you want to turn the hand wheel towards you again and get it worked in there. Next one is this one. And that's going to go down the needle bar. Oh, a little bit too much. So I'm going to wipe off the excess because I can actually get to this one. Okay, let's try this again. One little drop there. That looks good. Turn the hand wheel. And everything here is pretty clean. I don't see any bad dust. So that's good. And that is basically it. So let's put this together. I'm going to close this up like that. And I'm going to put the hood back on. I call it a hood. Whether it's a hood or not, I don't know. Put your correct screw in. There we go. Oops. Oh, this screwdriver is magnetic. That's good. Wow, I'm clumsy today. And then we're gonna gently put that in. And then, last but not least, our screw. You just first, get it going, and then use your screwdriver. You should always keep a screwdriver in your sewing table or your sewing bag or wherever you keep your sewing thing. So now I'm going to see if the oiling did the trick. Okay, it seems like there's some hesitation, so I'll have to see what's wrong with that. But as far as the noise, it's gone away, and the stitches are really nice. I should have used a darker color to show you, but they're really good. But that is basically it. I mean, it's so easy to oil. You don't have to like go deep down unless you really want to, but just for basic maintenance, everyday use, that's how you oil a Kenmore sewing machine.